In the heart of Silicon Valley, amidst the corridors of academia, emerged a mind that would reshape the financial landscape. Born on March 5, 1992, in Stanford, California, Sam Bankman Fried's journey seemed destined for greatness. Raised by professors Barbara Fried and Joseph Bankman, Sam's intellect was cultivated at an early age. Attending Canada, USA math camp, and later graduating from MIT in 2014, he displayed a flair for numbers that would define his future. Sam's first foray into the financial world began at Jane Street Capital, where he honed his skills trading international ETFs. Little did the world know that this was just the beginning of his meteoric rise. In 2017, Sam, alongside Tara Headley, co-founded Alameda Research. Fueled by injections from John Tallon and Luke Ding, the quantitative trading firm quickly became a powerhouse, with Sam holding around 90% ownership. The plot thickened when Sam founded the FTX cryptocurrency derivatives exchange in April 2019. The exchange opened its doors in May, adding another chapter to Sam's unfolding saga. From Hong Kong to the Bahamas, Sam Bankman Fried's ventures took him across the globe. He graced the Forbes 30 Under 30 list in 2021 but found himself on the infamous Hall of Shame in 2023. As the cryptocurrency gained regulatory attention, Sam testified before the Committee on Financial Services in December 2021, a pivotal moment that foreshadowed the challenges ahead. Fast forward to 2022, and the complexities of Sam's financial dealings started to surface. Borrowing over $546 million from Alameda Research to finance Emergent Fidelity. Technology's purchase of Robinhood Market stock became a tipping point. In an unexpected turn, Sam offered to help fund Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter, committing up to $5 billion. However, the investment never materialized, adding another layer of intrigue to Sam's narrative. The climax of Sam's saga came in 2023 when allegations surfaced of his consideration to purchase the island country of Nauru as a doomsday bunker. This audacious project marked a misguided and dystopian chapter in his story. The bulk of Alameda, Bankman Fried's trading firm, was heavily invested in FTX. Reports from Bloomberg and TechCrunch speculated that Binance's potential sale would significantly impact FTX's price due to its low trading volume. Zhao's announcement and subsequent Twitter disputes with Bankman Fried resulted in a sharp decline in FTX and other cryptocurrencies. Before this, Zhao had criticized Bankman Fried's lobbying efforts. On November 8th, Zhao dropped another bombshell. Binance had entered into a non-binding agreement to purchase FTX due to a liquidity crisis. He cautioned about the volatility of FTX in the coming days. However, the market had a different reaction, and FTX lost a staggering 80% of its value on the day of the announcement. The climax came on November 11, 2022, when FTX, Alameda Research, and more than 130 related entities declared bankruptcy. Anonymous sources revealed that Bankman Fried had secretly transferred over $4 billion from FTX to Alameda, including customer funds backed by FTT and shares in Robinhood. The Wall Street Journal cited a source stating that Bankman Fried had disclosed Alameda owing FTX about $10 billion secured through customer funds. Caroline Ellison, CEO of Alameda Research, reportedly informed employees that Bankman Fried was aware of FTX lending customers money to Alameda. Facing the heat, Bankman Fried resigned as FTX CEO on November 11th, immediately replaced by John J. Ray III. February 23, 2023, brought fresh challenges as 4 additional criminal charges were unveiled. These charges revolved around Bankman Fried's alleged involvement in more than 300 illegal political donations. A subsequent March 2023 indictment accused him of orchestrating the transfer of at least $40 million in cryptocurrency to Chinese government officials, ostensibly to unfreeze Alameda research accounts. The legal roller coaster took unexpected turns. In July, a campaign finance charge against Bankman Fried was dropped due to treaty obligations between the United States and the Bahamas, arising from his extradition. However, August brought another blow as he faced a separate illegal campaign finance indictment. This time, he was accused of diverting $100 million in stolen FTX customer funds towards U.S. election campaign contributions in 2022. Living under the watchful eye of court-ordered restrictions, Bankman Fried's world became a tightly controlled existence. On July 26, 2023, prosecutors alleged witness tampering, claiming that he handed a reporter the personal writings of former Alameda research CEO Caroline Ellison. A mere 3 weeks later, on August 11th, Judge Kaplan, convinced that witness tampering had occurred, made a dramatic decision. Bankman Fried's bail was revoked, and in a surreal courtroom scene, he was led away in handcuffs, finding himself behind bars at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn. As the reality of his situation set in, Bankman Fried faced new challenges. On August 26, 2023, his legal team raised concerns about his well-being. They argued that he wasn't receiving a vegan diet and that crucial medications for ADHD and depression were running dangerously low. Describing his dire circumstances, they emphasized that surviving on a diet of bread, water, and peanut butter made it impossible for him to prepare for the impending trial. By November, there were reports that Bankman Fried's conditions had somewhat improved. Access to a vegetarian diet and prescription drugs had been granted. Yet, his adaptability shone through as he engaged in the prison Mac economy. Purchasing packets of mackerel from the prison commissary, he bartered them for services, even securing a prison-style haircut. The climax of this gripping tale arrived on November 2, 2023, when the trial concluded with a shocking verdict. The jury pronounced Bankman Fried guilty on all 7 counts. The courtroom, once filled with anticipation, now bore the weight of a fallen crypto titan. The sentencing hearing was scheduled for March 28, 2024, leaving experts in federal criminal court sentencing speculating on the potential duration of his impending prison term. As if one trial wasn't enough, a second loomed on the horizon. 5 charges, including bank fraud and bribery, were slated for a trial originally set for early March 2024. These charges emerged after Bankman Fried's extradition from the Bahamas in December 2022. The legal chess game continued as Bankman Fried sought dismissal, citing deviations from the Bahamian extradition agreement. However, prosecutors, considering the victim's desire for a swift resolution, opted against pursuing a second trial. It became evident that a second trial wouldn't impact the length of Bankman Fried's potential prison sentence under the federal guidelines. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more.